Fernando Kabalin, welcome to Pampanga.
For today's vlog, bibisitahin natin itong bagong-bagong Chinese restaurant na pwede kong hanap ng fried rice, xiaolongbao, dimsum, and many more.
Guys, this is Walk It Out. If you remember, na-feature na natin sila before sa bahay. Pero now, meron na silang dining. So samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Follow ko kayo! Hi! Hello! Come to Walk It Out!
Nahuli! Thank you! So, ayun guys, finally matitikman na natin ulit. Walk It Out for the second time. Na-feature na natin sila from home during the pandemic. So, we would like to congratulate them kasi finally meron na silang dine-in.
Actually, meron na silang physical store dito sa may Sagin, San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yun, so ito yung kasagutan sa mga request ng mga mga parokyano nila. So, meron na tayong dine-in. And of course, kasama natin ngayon si Sir Alvin. Right. So what do we have, Brother Mark?
So on our table, syempre, yung kanilang pinagmamalaking small platter.
Small pa lang to, guys.
And small platter pa lang to.
So meron siyang around 69 pieces, different kinds of dimsum.
So, actually, kung gusto mo ng iba-ibang flavor, this one yung pipiliin. At the same time, so kung gusto nyo naman mag-rice, meron tayo dito yung kayong Taiwanese pork chop and yung kanang Taiwanese chicken chop.
So meron tayong ding kuchay dumplings.
And syempre,
Hakao. We also have 3 different kinds of dips. Huwag na natin patagalin.
let's taste them.
Let's taste them.
Sa small platter natin, so meron tayong siomai, prawn dumpling na fried.
Right.
Meron din tayong pork dumpling na steam. Meron tayong xiaolongbao and choco.
Molten chocolate.
Malted chocolate xiaolongbao.
Oh, nag-dessert ka na, bro.
Yan ha. Check this out. So, syempre, uunahin na natin yung dessert.
Yes! Naman! Tignan natin siomai nila. There we go. Alright, so ayun guys. Congratulations, Walk It Out, San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yung mga affordable dimsum na pwede nating ma-avail sa market.
Yes. You can dine in here, you can also take it out. Wow, walk it out. Yes. Alright, so ayun guys. So, si Walk It Out San Fernando po is located dito sa may along MacArthur Highway ng Sindalan. Yes. Pinaka-landmark natin is yung Rich Town
1.
Yes, and then open from
11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday. So yun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.